Hi everybody, welcome back to another video. Today we're taking a look at this, the Griptight Pro Telepod from JOBY, along with the Beamo Mini LED light from JOBY. These two paired together is all you're going to need for vlogging, video work, TikTok, Instagram, whatever kind of video production you're doing. These two items are a must-have. Let's just talk about a few of the features that this tripod has got. It's packed full of features, and it's one of the nicest tripods, the most well-made feeling tripods that I've used for many years. In fact, probably one of the best feeling tripods that I've used. It's chunky, it feels well made, it's made sort of with a mixture of plastic and metal components, so it feels sturdy. This grip, beautiful, really sticky grip. You're not going to drop this. It does come with a lanyard attached to it. I took that off because I don't really not going to use that, but it's just really nice and grippy. I will do a full vlogging test out and about when the weather's better, but I am going to do other videos as well, all about mobile vlogging. We're testing out mobile video, which is best, which microphones are best. Is your stabilization as good as something, for instance, like a GoPro? Is the iPhone the all-round vlogging situation with this beautiful setup from JOBY? We'll find out in future videos, so if you haven't already, make sure you do subscribe and press the bell so you don't miss any of those uploads coming really soon. One thing to note is when you want to stand it up as a tripod, you have to get this metal pole out of the way, so you have to sort of extend it up. To do that, all you do is sort of twist it and unlock it twice, pull it up, and it pulls that middle section out the bottom, so you can stand this up as a normal tripod. That's nice and sturdy, it's not going anywhere. And then to get it back down, you just unlock it a little bit like that twice, and it locks into place, not going anywhere. Really easy to use. I love the fact that this head comes off. You can take this head off if you don't want to use foam mount. You can use one of JOBY's tripod mounts, screw that one on there instead, and then you've got sort of a quick release tripod here to add to cameras. The head itself is really well made. The phone holder, it comes with a cold shoe on the top for the light, which we'll talk about in just a second. It's actually, if you look carefully, got these 1/4 inch mounts either side, so we can add different accessories to the side, different mounts, other cold shoes or anything like that, to add microphones and other accessories, other lights if you want to. This obviously tilts as well. You undo this screw here and it tilts backwards, left and right, which is wicked. The screws are very nice. It's got a rubber touch to it, so it's not slippy and doesn't hurt your hands. It's just very well made. Then this bit on the back, which controls the rotation and opens the phone holder. So we undo this and then we can add the phone to the holder, or we can rotate the head for landscape and portrait mode when you've got the phone in there. One thing to be careful of is obviously when you unscrew this, it makes this loose. So if you've got it in portrait mode and you unscrew this, the phone is probably likely to fall out. So you want to make sure that you're holding the phone or take the phone out while you're adjusting the head for the different modes, and then put the phone in, readjust and put it back in there. So phones, mirrorless cameras, also GoPros. It comes in the box with these accessories for GoPro. You can add this GoPro mount on there. Fits all GoPros nice and easily. Put the screw in and then there we're away. And we've got the GoPro for vlogging as well. This grip, still can't get over how nice it is. It feels really nice. But that's it, we've got the GoPro added as well. So phones, cameras, GoPros, any action cameras, you're sorted. So it extends as well, 31 inches, 79 centimeters. So brilliant for vlogging. It's really reaching out there. Look how far that is. And if you've got something that's a bit tighter, for instance, if you've got the Sony ZV-1, which is notoriously got a sort of a tight angle, about a 28mm, you can put the normal head in here and you can add that camera on there, and it's got that extra reach, so it still gives you that wide angle whilst vlogging. That's a good option. Or something like TikTok or Instagram Reels, this would be brilliant with the portrait mode, the fact that you can adjust it backwards and forwards as well, the tilt as well. Got the microphone here from JOBY, the Wavo microphone, which I tested in a video a few weeks back. I'll link it up above so you can check that out. Really good quality microphone, equal if not better to something like the Rode Video Micro. But like I said, TikTok, doing vertical videos like this, because it can rotate, is perfect. You've got the height adjustment as well, so you can put it on a table and you can get it perfectly up to the level that you want it, or you can walk around with it like this and just sort of do a vertical vlog or do a short for YouTube. It really does cover all the bases. Any kind of content that you want to create, this little package here can do it all. So that's the tripod, packed with features. No matter what camera you've got, this is the tripod to cover you for that camera. Paired with this light as well, which is the Beamo Mini light, coming in at about £49, £50 in the UK. The tripod is $79.99 by the way on its own. This light though is bulletproof. Like the GoPro, it's waterproof up to 30 meters, so it's just totally waterproof. No matter what kind of thing you're going to be doing this, unless you're going deep diving, this thing is going to cope with any kind of water you throw at it, so no problems there. It's rechargeable by USB-C. We've got this flick out switch at the top here, the rubber stopper there to stop any water going in, USB-C in the top. 1000 lumens, which is really bright. My torch that I've got from Olight is 1000 lumens and it helps me every single morning. It's very bright, so this thing gets bright. To help dampen the brightness, you've got this little softbox attachment that goes on the top, a little red marker to make sure you know which way's the top, and that goes over there and gives you a nice soft light on your face. Not harsh, not bright, not going to make your face blow out. It's got that nice soft light on your face, so that is a really good little feature as well. What if you're in some kind of dark situation and you need a light? There's plenty of times when I've come across that kind of thing where I need some light to illuminate me, and that's when the Beamo Mini comes in. Whoa, that's bright. Let's get down to its minimum. That's its minimum, so that gives you sort of just a nice soft light that you're going to need in all sorts of situations. Even when it's bright outside, just a bit of extra light makes you look so much better. We've got that little softbox over the top of the Beamo Mini as well, and then if you're in a really dark situation, we can bump it up to its 1000 lumen max, and that is really bright. But if you're in a cave, or you're an adventure vlogger, or you're just any kind of travel vlogger, you're doing anything at night, this is really going to come in very handy. And in all weather conditions, don't forget, it's absolutely totally bomb-proof and waterproof. So if you've got any kind of travel coming up and you need a light, you think you're going to need a light, this is going to be perfect. This setup really does. It rocks, it really does. I'm so impressed with both the Griptight and the Beamo light. It's amazing. It's going to cover you in all sorts of conditions and situations. You can, if you want to, attach 4 of these Beamo Minis together. It's got the fittings on the side there to actually fit 4 of these in sort of a square pattern. So if you want to do that, you can do as well. On the back, it's magnetic, so you can attach it to any metal surface. That's cool. It comes with the little cold shoe attachment on the bottom, so we can of course add this. We can of course add this to our cold shoe on the top of the vlogging setup like that. Or if you prefer to use the light separately on a different device, or you want to have the microphone up top and you want to add that there is a 1/4" screw on the bottom to screw it onto a mount instead. Okay, let's finish up on the front-facing camera on the iPhone 13 Pro with the Telepod, the Beamo light on the right-hand side, the JOBY Waver microphone, of course, on the top as well. So this absolutely brilliant package from JOBY. I think you could pretty much start a YouTube channel with this. The quality is outstanding. The options you've got to use this in different situations are fantastic. Could it replace your main setup, your big camera? Possibly. If you can't afford something like that, then definitely. Could it replace your GoPro? Absolutely. The stabilization on the iPhone 13 Pro is brilliant, and of course it's as waterproof as this, so yeah, it's an amazing setup. I really do like it. All the products will be linked in the description down below if you want to go and check them out. But that's it for this video. Stay tuned for more mobile videography videos coming up very soon. Until next time though, take it easy. See you soon. Bye.